In this video, I'll show you how to use cards in your tawk.to widget to make it more useful and engaging for your visitors. Cards are content blocks you can add to your widget to help visitors interact with your business. You can include things like videos, featured articles, or a search bar for your knowledge base. When set up well, these cards help customers find what they need quickly and get support faster. To edit your widget content, log in using a browser or the desktop app. Click the gear icon to go to the administration panel, then go to Channels and select Chat Widget. Under Widget Content, click Edit Content. This opens the Widget Content Editor, where you can customize everything your visitors will see. There's a live preview on the right side so you can see changes as you make them. Once you save, the widget updates instantly on your site. No coding required. To add a card, click the plus icon in the Header Card section. You can move cards by dragging them with the dotted handle. There's also a toggle to turn cards on or off. Use the pencil icon to edit and the delete icon to remove content. When you're done, click Update to save your changes. Some cards can be added to the header, some to the body, and others to both. For example, agent, logo, and heading cards can appear in the header. Chat and knowledge base articles go in the body. The knowledge base search card can only appear in one location at a time, header or body. Here's a quick look at the main types of cards you can add. The agent card displays up to 5 agent profile pictures, even if they're offline. The chat card lets visitors start a conversation. You can customize the button and placeholder text. The KB featured article card highlights a single knowledge base article. You can choose it from a list or search for it. There's also an option to open it in a new browser tab. The heading card adds a bold title or message to your widget. You can update the text, and the color settings are available under the advanced appearance settings. The image card lets you add an image from a file or URL. You can align it and add a clickable link to direct visitors elsewhere. The KB article list card shows up to 5 articles or categories from your knowledge base. You can select them manually and choose whether they open inside the widget or in a full-page view. The KB search card adds a search bar for your knowledge base. Just select which knowledge base to connect, and you can choose to open articles in a new browser window if needed. The logo card displays your brand logo in the widget header. It uses the property image from your overview settings. To update the logo, upload a new image under Admin. For best quality, use an image that's at least 512 by 512 pixels. The text area allows you to add a custom message. You can use it to share helpful information, greetings, or instructions for your visitors. And the video card lets you embed videos from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Loom, or even a self-hosted video. Paste the link and adjust playback settings like autoplay, mute, loop, and more. All of these cards are available for free with your tawk.to account. With the right combination, you can create a more interactive and helpful widget experience for your visitors. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.